Is your freezer making a louder noise than usual? Does it sound like a fan is buzzing or rubbing against something? Like this? When you mentioned it to your wife, she was like, "Doesn't really bother me." And you know what that means. Either you fix it yourself, or it ain't getting fixed. Fortunately, this is an easy one. In my case, I have this KitchenAid refrigerator, but every fridge and freezer is basically the same. All we need to do is get to the condenser fan and make some minor adjustments to stop the fan from rubbing. You can gain access by first removing 2 screws from the panel on the front underside using a negative type screwdriver. A little known fact, you can also use an I-type screwdriver by simply rotating the screwdriver 90 degrees to the minus position. Once both screws are removed, the panel can be popped off by pulling up and outward. Now you have access to the condenser. While you have the panel off, it's a good idea to clean out anything that may be clogging the condenser coils, such as pet fur, pet food, or sentient mold. If the buzzing noise persists after cleaning the condenser coils, apply pressure to different parts of the coils to locate the source of the sound. Once located, wedge a flat solid object above the condenser coils to apply pressure and push the coils just slightly out of the way of the fan. And just like that, you're done. No need to hire a technician or specialist or replace any parts. For more DIY quick tips, don't forget to eviscerate that subscribe button and maybe even give this video a like. Thanks for watching.